There's a fire. There's a fire in there.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me take I hear crackling.
Really?
Fire.
You hear crackling and everything.
I'm digging this up, get buckets of water, and get them here right now. So when we get the hood up, we can dump them on the hood.
All right.
Pull that plastic off on the top of the hood.
Right. Oh, it's hot. I feel it. Oh, it's hot.
There's a fire, I know. Get the weight off of it. Okay, go up. Could be just the radiator under there. Yeah, right here, I can't even touch that hose.
It's boiling.
Crackling inside that tube.
Yeah, it was crackling.
Or I heard it crackling.
I got it on video.
That's why I'm telling you they lie on the gauges, because it said it was perfectly dead center in the middle. It didn't even say it was going to warm at all. They lie. I know they lie. They just want it to look good on the gauges. That's.
I think we just drag her out of here now. Get the tractor and the excavator and drag her up.
Welcome to the channel. I didn't plan on digging this out so soon. Things went south. I heard crackling inside the intake. It probably just didn't like the fact that it had no air running underground, but it was really hot. Like once we had to get the hood open, everything was already. I was gonna leave it for one more week. I was wanting it for 2 weeks, but I suppose 1 week will suffice.
That might be why we didn't have any air. Oh, shoot.
Oh, those are cheap hinges. So we're gonna raise the back lift.
Oh, moved a little bit.
Oh, is this? What's going on? It's not. Something's not right there though. Dude, this cap might be bent. That's not supposed to look like that. Dude, that's bad. Oh, it's not even latching. It's not supposed to do that.
I don't know. Give her a nice tug.
Give her the beans.
Why don't we just put it around the axle?
Can't do that.
Oh, I just got stabbed. Yeah, it's scratched. You just slammed it right in.
I saw the aluminum on the door go in. Mine's been higher.
Hey, you idiot. He isn't ready yet. Come on, Jason! Woo! Come on, go, 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 go! Woo! There she is. Yeah.
Hey,
what? It's about time. Holy cow.
Every warning light on the dash is going off. It's like world changer.
Yes. We lost a couple blocks.
Dude, this whole hole just like exploded. Like everything just came up out of here so fast.
Oh, something's broken.
Oh man.
Is she bent?
It's like worse than the concrete.
Look at these wheels though.
Oh, it's so packed in there. Just spun them into... I'm gonna pull out here and whip donuts until every last thing in that bed is out.
This thing's absolutely just
Did it about
messed.
roll?
It's messed up. You got dents in the door. You got 2 dents over here. This is mashed in right here.
Oh,
and this here's mashed in.
We're gonna have to. This is gonna have to be at the body shop for like weeks.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. This entire rear end is absolutely gone.
Okay, yeah, this is worse than concrete. This is bad.
Yeah, I told you, it got into the bedside.
let me take care of it real quick with this excavator.
No, God! No, God!
Get the dirt out of there.
Yeah, I'll get it right now, don't worry.
Please, no!
Whoa, hey!
No!
That's the bedside, you idiot.
Did I get into it?
Yeah! There you go. It's like moving the entire thing. The entire back end of the frame is swaying. Whoa! Watch that rhino line.
You think I got into the bed? Here, let me do this.
No, get the block. Get the block.
Stop it. Get some help.
You just jam all 4 of your teeth right through. Look at the coil springs. You idiot. Ooh, what are you doing? Whoa. You're ripping
Stop it. Get some help.
Here, grab this. Hey, pluck this thing off. Grab that. Watch my hand. Pluck that off. Yeah. I think it's pretty durable. Yeah. Oh!
What did I get into?
You ripped this thing right now. Maybe a little. The box is filled.
Oh, wait.
Whoa, wait, whoa!
Yeah, there you go. Keep coming. A little bit more.
Come on, African kids could have eaten that. Pluck it out of there. I did. You just kept going. What even happened here?
You know, I'm starting to wonder the same thing.
It looked like a truck like 2 minutes ago.
Oh, I know what happened.
What?
It was a limited.
Oh!
But it got mad that it wasn't actually a real limited.
Idiots.
So that's, yeah. It looks really badass now, actually.
It does. I like it. I said we put a flatbed on.
Dude, seriously, it's got that old work truck look too.
Yes, sir.
It's got like beige wheels now. This whole harness got ripped out of here. Got a hot wired or something. I did get carried away with the excavator. I wasn't gonna rip the whole bed off. Oh no, no, no! Hold up, stop, time out. Hold up, you're gonna scratch it with that.
Brushed.
I've never even seen a wheel like that bad ever. That's not even.
It's actually pretty good. I like it.
I mean, I kind of. It does. It's got like a marbling look to it, actually. It looks like marble. Hey, shut up. Service advanced track, oil change required, hill start assist not available, service advanced, why did you give it twice? Blind spot system fault, cross traffic system fault, washer fluid level low.
That's it. What's he doing?
Oh, he's just cutting away on it. I got an ABS light, a check engine light, a seatbelt light, and a bunch of other stuff. The windshield, I mean, now that you see it in the daylight, you can see what happened. It started breaking down here. I don't know how this happened, but it probably has to do with the fact that it was underground. This truck new from the factory was not a limited. This actual truck was not. And I never said it was. But the badges and stuff on it say limited. So everybody's like, he's got a fake limited and all this, like thinking that I care if it's a limited or not. It has a limited interior actually out of a limited truck. It's got the badges and everything on it. So this right here was painted to match the truck. They wanted to paint it blue. So they had to reinstall the VIN numbers. So now there's one VIN messed up on this thing. Everyone on Instagram completely lost it, saying I'm trying to, I got a fake limited or something. Like I don't actually know the entire interior isn't stock in the first, yeah, because they come with this from the factory. I'm wondering if people think I care if it's a limited or not. You know, I wonder. I don't think it matters too much now. I think it's pretty funny though. This still has a template on it. I got like layers of templates right there. What do you think it's worth now? Like 50K?
At least 40.
40?
I would pay.
I mean, the motor's hefty. Transit's going out.
The trans is the motor's maybe like 5.
It was I paid 100K for this. It's probably, as it sits right
30.
now, maybe 40.
30. I'd pay 30 for it.
If you think about it, it really doesn't need that much work.
What do you mean?
Grill and a bumper
Just like a grill, a bumper, a rear bumper, a tailgate, a windshield, fenders, a trans because that's completely going out, a new AnyLevel for the rear.
Rear, yeah, it's quite a bit.
So y'all may wonder if I paid $100,000 for this truck and I just did $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, $5,000 in damage, what we're gonna do to fix it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. That was a lot of fun. Hopefully you'll go out and beat on your stuff now and actually have fun with the stuff you paid so much money for. Have a great night.